Right, today I'm gonna be showing you how to I'm gonna be showing you loads of funny farts. So here I go, and I'm gonna fart. Oh God. Right, some of you may have watched funny burps. Some of you may have watched even funnier burps. But please visit this site. It's really good. Type in the top Pringle 2552. No spaces. It's me friend's account. I bring up more of his guitar lessons and that if you need them. Because he's just gonna show you some tricks. And anyways, back to funny fart and bit. It's like I need a crap now. Woo! It smells! And that's all for today. Wait. Subscribe. Comment. Right. Please rate as well, because I like people rating, because then I get a star. And that doesn't make sense, but you know. And also, if you type in the top, well, if you just look on the bottom here, just there, it'll say more from mrdansTV. So please click on that, and I'll bring up the rest of my video. Until next time, burperinos, fartinos, Allah.